Hi everyone, here's Abdul and welcome to a new unboxing. This time I have a very special watch. I bought it new this time and I have here my handmade German steel. So, I'm not gonna say what's the watch. I'll leave the surprise while you're watching. Give you a hint, it's a Nomos special edition. Limited to 75 pieces, dedicated to my favorite city. So out of paper wrap, they wrapped it really nice. And oh, that's really cool of them. Such a nice wrap, as you can see. Nice, that's a nice bag. Got some stuff with it. Some free swagger from Ace Jewelers. Props to them. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Socks, love the socks. Some stickers, we'll be putting them on my bag. Notebook from Nomos. Oh, that's really cool. Handwritten notes in it. That's really class. So let's get to the main event, which is the watch. Don't know how to take this out. I don't want to cut it, to be honest. Here it goes. Let's open Put the knife away. Zoom in. Nice. Even gave me a strap with it. That's so cool. Oop. Take the stickers out. So nice. Glass with the stripes. Alpha movement. California dial. Red hands, red indices. Let's fix the time. Let's give it a wind up first. That's a nice winding sound. Put it on. Nice. That strap is really cool. A red strap. I already got a red strap that's coming. It's a nice one. Nice touch. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe to my channel.